If you put your hand in front of you, you pinky down, your thumb up, you feel this bone right here in the bottom, the ulnar bone. If you're mounting your partner, use that bone, okay? We're going to use that to do the work. We're not going to use the elbow point too much. So we're going to use all this for our work. So I'm just going to drop in here. My back foot's going to push, and I'm just going to slide up my partner's body. Nice and easy. And then from right there, if you wanted, I might pull back on the trap just a little bit. Not a whole lot, but when I get up here and I'm done, usually we'll pull in here and just go. You can get behind him. You can tell him he can brace himself by putting his hands straight on the table so you don't push him too far forward. So get your hands straight locked there. And then you're behind and you can push with your hands. You can push with your elbows. Yeah. And when you start leaning too much, just take a step forward. That way you'll keep your weight pretty much the same going all the way up and your pressure will stay the same. I want to make sure I don't just kind of slide off over the shoulder blade. I want to come all the way up into the neck, step up really high, and then drop my arms straight. I just kind of turn, re-engage, and I can start going down the body the other way. Arm, shoulder, everything's involved, just turning. And then I drop her arm over my leg, and now my leg is in her shoulder. If I pull, she comes with me. And just lean way back and pull. And I kind of stand up tall and just push through her arm, down her arm, into her wrist, kind of hanging out there. See anything wants? Yep. And then all you have to do is just lean and let your arm go down. You have to work hard at all. Okay? That's going to bring her knee out to where I can kind of expose it a little bit and get some of this IT band area. Okay? I'm going to be kind of careful there at first, making sure my partner likes what's going on, and then get more aggressive as time grows. How about I just want to very carefully come up her calves a couple times, not much pressure. Easy right to the back of the knee, and then maybe kind of elephant walk on the hamstring. Heavy left, heavy right. I can do my knuckles, palms, forearms, crazy elbows if I really need deep work there. Probably not most people. But just I can get all the way up to her low back. Coming down. Trying to use my body weight, not my strength. Leaning in. Here, I can be here. I can come up. Back. So when I go up, the knees are coming back. Nice low back opener. You could put hands on each other. So all your weight's on one side and really go up heavy, build up. And then I'm going to turn and push all the way through. This is just, and I just kind of hold the hand really tight and I just sort of drag and see if she wants to come a little bit with me or neck comes out. I would like to push the shoulders away from her ears towards her feet. So I just kind of put palms on. So from right here, I might step up and just push into the, kind of into the armpit almost. I'm pushing the shoulders right down to the table, sliding. So I just take my fingers loose, set them in, blossom like a flower, and I'm about right here and here under her spine. And when I get to the base of her skull, I'm just going to kind of open my fingers up wide and just sort of pull straight back. It's traction, and I'm going to go under that shoulder. How we doing? And the hand that's holding her head is really kind of pulling the flexion there. And then I hold on to the skull, and I just kind of fall backwards, traction. I might do some face work here. Heavy of those palms come through, working on the muscles, the chewing muscles. And from there, I could stand up and go right out to a shoulder press.